at the grain on this table, Amai Muchero. It brings warmth that
Warmth is fleeting, Amai Mugoji, while your wood rots.
It just looks like hard labor.
Your family is away from nothing.
You must stop wearing this outfit. It is identical to mine.
While your wood rots.
It just looks like hard labor.
Your family is away, Mugoji.
She wore the exact same outfit at the market.
Enough of this. He is my good friend.
She did it on purpose. Amai Mugoji mocks me.
Enough, Amai. He is my friend.
Stay away from that family.
Yes, Mama.
Where are you rushing to, little sister? Herbs? In the dark?
I won't be long. I'm 18.
Exactly. People talk. Go back inside.
She should have been here by now. Patience, little brother. Tatenda is sharp. We must go before father misses us. I need your advice. It's about Tavonga. Is everything all right at home? She has a boyfriend. I will find out who. Do not do anything rash. I will deal with him myself. I'll keep my eyes open. Kundai, we need to talk. Tatenda knows about Tavonga. He's planning to catch you. You must be very careful. Stay away from her. Tavonga, your brother Tatenda is tracking me. We must lay low to protect our father's friendship and our brother's friendship and avoid conflict.
You are right, Kundai.
You are a copycat. I wore it first. I wore it first. This is ridiculous. Get off my path.
If this is going to work, we must be the same way. No lies, no secrets between us. We are brothers, Tatenda. No secrets.
This is the premium wood. The iron rim is perfectly seated. You boys built it together. There is something important about our sons.
It is your son who convinced him.
Enough. They want to start a joint business.
A business with them? Never! Get out of here! Never! We need to know what goes on in that Kundai.
Mama,
workshop.
I want you to watch them.
Yes, Mama. I will watch.
Is everything okay at your home? What is Tatenda planning with the iron?
He's just working, Kundai. What's in your bag? I can't do this anymore. My mother told me to spy on you.
She told me the same thing.
This is crazy.
We need a plan.
Yes, a plan.
Tavonga!
What are you doing out here? Is this the boy you've been meeting? Did you know about this, Kumbirai?
I didn't.
No, it's not what it looks like. Mama sent me to spy.
Did you not see me wearing this yesterday? The market is free for everyone, Amai Mugoji. You are just obsessed with my style. In your dreams.
Our mothers are looking for faults. What if we use their spies against them? Kundai and Tavonga. We tell them what to report. We feed the mothers boring information. We have a business to run.
Tatenda's brilliance did not drag you down. Unmatched craftsmanship is hard to keep up with. Seems they managed. Yes, they did.
It turns out we have the same taste in fashion.
Great minds truly do think alike.
It turns out